Johnson. I'm one of the co-founders of Cyclops.io, and we have a super easy-to-use video conferencing platform with a bot layer on top of it. So one of my favorite questions, how many people in this room video conference and love their video conferencing solution? One, two, oh, there are a couple. How many people hate their video conferencing solution? Love it and hate it. So it's really interesting. Video conferencing has been around for a long time, and there are still people who are incredibly frustrated by Slack. Sorry, not by Slack. By Hangout, by Skype. It's really impressive that we've come very far, but still have not been able to get something super. So I want to talk about Cyclops. First of all, we wanted to start with something super, super easy. So it's literally one click to start a video conference. There's no downloads, there's no plugins, everything is in your browser. You can get up and running in a few seconds. And if you think about it, starting video conferences can often take 8 or 10 minutes. And one of the big problems is I download the software, it doesn't work. One of the big problems is, I'm logged in as my work account and I need my personal account, or my personal account and work account. Getting rid of all of these little annoyances is actually really important to a successful conference. So we've got a secure end-to-end system, but really we're not about video conferencing. It's a key tool. Really we're about getting work done. Our company was created because we see so many teams being divided across cities. It's so hard to hire enough smart people in one city that we see a lot of teams struggling to work together. And what we wanted to do is transform video conferencing from talking about getting work done to actually getting work done. So I'm gonna try and show a video rather than
remain in conference.
real-time demo. Let's see if this can work. Great. So the first thing is, and I'll just pause here, a really nice, whoops, maybe not pause. Let's try that again. So on our website, you can literally get up and running in a few seconds. You can choose your own room name, in this case, John's Weekly Stand-Up. Literally in one click, you're in the room, you're up and going, and this is a video conference between my co-founder and I. He's going up. This is a list of our applications on top of video conferencing. And what he's going to do is he's going to start by showing you screen sharing. Now, screen sharing is normally done, you just see the document, but we're all about getting work done, not talking about getting work done. So what you can see is that's my mouse over here, and even though I'm remote, he can see my mouse and he can see our annotations. And so we can actually work together to figure out what kinds of changes need to be made. And then we can take a snapshot. And for folks like myself who work in Slack, we'll take the results and put it in Slack. So we're actually going all the way to the end product. So another thing that we can show is audio transcription. Something that we often do is we want meeting notes, right? We want to be able to come back and search at the end and figure out what was going on in that meeting. So one of the applications we've written is essentially audio transcription. It's in beta, it doesn't work very well in noisy rooms at all. But in good environments, it works really well. And we're moving pretty quickly along here. So the next thing we have is actually whiteboarding. And I'll just rewind a second here. And pause. Here we go. So what you can see is it's really easy to see and read that whiteboard. And here it is before our enhancement. Turns out reading a real whiteboard, brainstorming. A lot of us use whiteboards to brainstorming, but it's really hard to see it in a standard video conference. So that's one of the things we make. And then we turn it into a full collaboration experience. Again, sharing a cursor, annotating, taking a snapshot. So we're trying to take processes that we do as teams and really make them work. Another bot we've added, which is kind of fun, but also actually pretty useful, is the Ask bot. So you're in the middle of a meeting, you want to know what the temperature is in Boston in this case. More importantly, you want to know populations, little pieces of data, and that's been working really well. For those of you who are Slack users, you can add us as an add-on to Slack, and then just go on and type /Cyclops. and it will just spin up a new session with no problems at all. And I have one more slide. We're live. We're at Cyclops.io. Please use us. We have lots of people who have already started using us. SAP, Houghton Mifflin, a few others. Please try out our apps. We're building new ones. We really love feedback on the apps. We love to hear how people are using them. Send us notes, make suggestions. We love that. For this crowd, we're hiring full stack developers. So if you're Node.js front end, we're looking for build up our team. So thank you so much. Today,
what's the question?
What's the question?
What was the question?
The question was iOS and Android support. Today, we're only doing desktop. We're a young company, and it's where most of our users are. It's on the roadmap. We'll be coming soon.
Yeah, so you're free. What's your revenue model?
So we're a software as a service model. The video conferencing is always going to be free. We'll start charging for the apps as we turn them on, probably over the next 3 or 4 months. We have some really cool apps coming that have been requested, and that will be when we start sharing the revenue. But right now, we're just building up our user base.
on your phone to remain in progress.
Multi-room, like where you have like 12 teams throughout the world and they all come on, like Zoom, for example? Follow that model?
Right, so right now, we support 8 endpoints in a room. We've tested up to 12, but it's given the variety of hardware up there, we know that 8 always works 12 because it's
Do you take advantage of stereo, or you had a stereo audio?
Yeah, 44 kilohertz stereo.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of your audio, in terms of transcribing and so on, and the directional makes a big difference.
So we're using third-party apps to do the audio transcription. Honestly, there's so many companies doing audio transcription that, we're not going to beat them, so they're all competing so hard, so we're just taking advantage of their competition.
Does your screen sharing app support multi-monitor setups?
We've done it on multi-monitor, as we said.
Are you hiring only full stack developers? You're hiring only full stack developers?
Right now we're aimed at full stack, yes. We're a small team. There are only a few full-timers, a bunch of part-timers, so we're aiming to keep the team pretty lean right now. Yes.
How far down the line are you planning to let other people build apps on top of you?
So the first one has already been built. So if you're interested,
Cool.
Is it encoded?
I'm sorry, so? Yeah, everything is totally encrypted. I'm sorry. The question is, do we ensure the privacy of the data? So everything is totally encrypted from user to user. In fact, the vast majority is going peer-to-peer directly. So it's not even going through our server. It's all TLS.
Do you only integrate with Slack? Is there other competitors up there? Slack is very nice.
What's your favorite?
Slack is my favorite, but my company is not removed the teams. It does the problem.
Is it Jira Teams or Google?
Oh, Microsoft.
Microsoft Teams. We haven't done it with Microsoft yet. We have some requests for Jira. We have some requests for Salesforce. So we're slowly working down those. Very good. Well, please go to Cyclops.io and try it out.